in Portuguese by sound of applause. All right. If you'd like to hear it in
Klingons.
It's just
Klingon.
you just say Klingon. If you'd like to hear it in Klingon. And the only one. Or in Dalek. All right, we'll do that again. Doctor Who? Klingon. Really close. We'll do Klingon with a little Doctor Who thrown in. It could happen.
It is happening in a comic book series published by IDW.
This guy. All right, here we go.
Sorry.
What are we doing? Oh, okay. We had a plan. It's finger on the inside.
Exfoliate! Incoming message from Starfleet Command.
Hello, sweetie.
I regenerated! I'm not as good as the last one! I'm the Gorn! Shit! I'll be so horny,